Okay, so everyone, today what we're going to be doing is looking at how we put all the pieces together of the research that we did. So I'm going to refer you to the different file folders where our information is, and you have that on your S drive. And when we're looking at this, I want to point out that every step of the way that we've been working on exercises and assignments, you have been putting together information that will be used in your final production. So we started with exploring what a social issue is. Remember this exercise up here on the screen. And you look at how does something go from an individual issue to becoming a social one that's supported by tax dollars or services or something like that. Then we looked at the 8 areas of research because we were going to utilize them, and we have. We're at the end of that process now where we're going to share our information. And we began by how do we put questions together. So after that, we set up a note-taking table. All of you should have this note-taking table now in your S drive. And we looked at how to use Gale databases and how to use domain searches, and then eventually we made our way to using OSLA Citation Maker to put together citations of the stuff that we use. Our citation slide, our citation document looks like this. It's the information we will import into our slide. And then we talked about what needs to be considered, like the rule of 7, the 7-7 rule, and the rule of thirds. So when we put our actual videos in or our pictures in and set up bullets and fonts and colors, everything is uniform in that. We looked at how to organize information because that's really important when you're starting to inform your audience of the different aspects of this social issue you're dealing with. And so here's an example I've shared with you. You have that in your assignment folder of how it should go together and how the different parts of the note-taking keys work when we put this together. I want to encourage you today to make sure that you look at your rubric because it's going to tell you whether you're reaching proficiency or beyond. So you can do things to fix this. This is an example of students who have practiced their project, put it together, and now are sharing the information. So I will be here to answer questions if you have any concerns about what to put together or when it's due or how to put it together. But I just want to reinforce to you that we are going to be using everything that we have been doing from the first day that we were here.